get your number, baby? I'll give you mine if you give me yours. Can I call tomorrow, maybe? Ooh, I'm feeling down, so can you be my cure? Say, can I get yours? Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours? I get tired just thinking about you. Waste too much time with you on my mind. I just wanna call you. Please stay on the line so I don't waste more time. Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours? Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours? Baby, just say yes. Can I get your number? If you give me it, promise I won't bother. Light a cigarette, pretend like I don't know ya. Baby, just say yes. Can I get your number? Ooh, can I? Can I? Can I? Can I?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So it has been like probably a week since I posted. I just wanted to take off a few days to get myself together mentally. The pandemic is taking its toll. So I did take off a few days. So we are back, and before we get into anything, shout out to everybody in Texas and Houston and everybody who is going through it with the weather and the power outages and everything. Prayers up to you guys. It's crazy out there, and I hope you guys are getting the aid and everything that you need out there. So if you aren't aware of what's happening in Texas, they're having a lot of issues with super cold temperatures, and it's not really normal for that to happen in Texas. So it's been kind of crazy out there. So we have people like Natural Joy, and people have friends and family that are out there, and I have some friends that stay out in that area as well. So they are going through it. Prayers up to you guys, and I hope everything starts to turn around very soon. So in today's video, I have a wig review from HerGivenHair. I have reviewed several wigs from them so far, especially in the last year. I think I'm going to create a playlist with all of my HerGivenHair wig reviews so you can see and reference those videos. I have quite a bit of those now. Yeah, so this particular one that I'm showing you guys today is in the style Spice Up Your Life, and this is a 13x6 lace front wig. So with everything that happened last year, there was a lace shortage, but they've restocked a lot of their lace front wigs and stuff. So if you're still interested in lace front wigs, they have them now. This particular texture is the curly texture, which is 3B to 3C. 13x6, as I told you guys, I have 16 inches. I have the medium cap, which was kind of snug, a little bit snug, but it's not like horrible. And I have it in the golden ombre color. I feel like I've tried, colors like this a lot, especially with the natural textures, the curly textures. It has a pre-plucked hairline, but I did tweeze it more because I felt like it needed it to be tweezed. The pre-bleached knots were definitely pre-bleached, and the lace looked really good. They have Swiss transparent lace, 100% virgin human hair, and it has adjustable straps. The prices for HerGivenHair are going to be higher. And if you are not new to my channel, you should be used to that. You should know this is like one of the higher end companies that I feature on my channel as well. This particular unit with the 13x6 is upwards of like $500. So I know that is expensive. Shop within your budget. If you are new here, I have all price points on my channel. So if this does not fit in your budget, which I understand, I have plenty of other wig reviews you can watch that are going to be within your budget. And if you aren't new here, you're somebody who knows about HerGivenHair, then you know it's going to be expensive. So yeah, so with this wig, I took it out the pack this morning and I tried it on for you guys so you guys saw what it looked like before I washed it. And I washed it in the same manner as I've shown in other videos. I do have standalone videos on how I wash my wigs as well as how I get the curls together. So I washed it with conditioner, and then I put some leave-in conditioner in the wig as well and clumped it with a paddle brush. I can't find my Felicia Leatherwood brush for some reason, so I clumped the curls like that and let it air dry. Well, I actually put it in front of a fan for a couple of hours and it came out like this. I did have to tweeze the hairline because I thought it was kind of thick. Well, it was, you can tell they did tweeze it, but I thought it was not as plucked as I wanted it to be, so that's what I did. And I feel like the wig really came to life when I put, you know, powder in the parting space and everything. And I usually don't wear glasses on camera, but for some reason I thought the glasses looked really good with this hair, so I took out my contacts and put my glasses on, and I think it looks really cute. 16 inches with this density and everything looks so cute. I like the length of it and the shape. This is definitely a familiar kind of color situation that I've tried several times on my channel at this point. Some with headband wigs, and then I've tried some with lace front wigs or like closure wigs and stuff from different companies. I did kind of the lazy girl method as far as application goes. I just focused on the part that would be seen, which is right here, and then I tucked under the sides and brought out some of my edges and gelled those down. So you can do that if you would like. I have seen some images from this particular wig where they wear it as a side part as well, so you're not limited to just the middle part. As far as like shedding and tangling, I did tweeze this hairline a lot, so I'm probably gonna get some shedding, but once I get the style of my kinky curly wigs, I don't really disturb the curl. I only manipulate it when it is wet. I think it's a very pretty wig, but it is very expensive, and you have to consider that before you invest in something like this, because $500 is quite a bit. So yeah, so it's a very pretty wig, but it is expensive, and I know that can turn off some people. So always shopping your budget, decide if this is something for you or if it's not. Totally up to you. I'm just sharing with you guys as I do with all my reviews. So if you are interested in this wig, I will have a link down in the description box to where you can purchase it. And if, emphasis on if, they have any coupon codes, they will be listed down below as well. Shout out to HerGivenHair for sponsoring another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time that I do another upload. Actually on Sunday, I'm going to be doing a bedroom tour for you guys. It'll be the first completed room that I'm showing you guys in that video, so definitely Premiere Squad, pull up and watch that with me. I was so excited to do something outside of hair, so definitely watch that video with me. And if you can't catch it, you know, I usually do my premieres around 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you can't, you know, watch it with the Premiere Squad, definitely catch the replay. That's coming up on Sunday. Super excited about that video. Again, subscribe if you haven't yet, because we are on the road to 200K and I would like to get there by the end of the year. So let's get there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.